Come in.
Am I disturbing you?
Not at all.
I see you're into art.
Yes.
Anything particular? Painting? Architecture? Sculpture? Literature?
Abstract.
Ah.
Is there something I can do to help you, sir?
Are you aware of her plans to infiltrate Saddami's group?
I am, and I understand you've spoken with everyone here in Ops.
Let's drop ranks for a moment. I don't like you. I think you're insubordinate, arrogant, willful, and obnoxious. And don't think you're a particularly good officer. But you're also the best one we have in Ops.
Well, since we're dropping the ranks, sir, I don't like you. I think you're arrogant, close-minded, and you have a need to control everyone and everything. You don't provide an atmosphere of trust. And you don't let people do what they do best. If everyone wound up so tight, there's no joy in working under you.